Welcome to Introduction to Accounting. Mr. Harrison stood at the front of the classroom, a piece of chalk in his hand. The morning sun streamed through the windows, illuminating the blackboard behind him. Today, we dive into the heart of accounting, the double-entry system, he announced. The students looked on, some with curiosity, others with mild apprehension. Mr. Harrison smiled. Think of double-entry accounting like a pair of scales. For the scales to remain balanced, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. He drew a large T on the board. Every transaction in a business has two equal and opposite effects. We call these debits and credits. Imagine you are opening a coffee shop. You decide to buy a new espresso machine for $1,000 in cash. A student in the front row, Mia, raised her hand. So, you lose $1,000? Exactly, Mia. Mr. Harrison pointed the chalk at her. Your cash account decreases by $1,000. We record that as a credit. But did your business just lose value? No, you gained a shiny new espresso machine, so your equipment account increases by $1,000. We record that as a debit. One action, two effects. The scales are perfectly balanced. He walked down the aisle, looking at the students. This system was created over 500 years ago, and it is the universal language of business today. It ensures accuracy and prevents fraud. Every time money moves, it leaves a dual footprint.